Cold weather got you craving something warm and hearty? Look no further. Today, we're diving into the world of quick and easy one-pot meals, perfect for cozying up on those chilly days. Introducing our first recipe, a classic chicken noodle soup. This comforting dish is packed with tender chicken, flavorful vegetables, and al dente noodles. Next up, we have a delicious beef stew. Slow cooked to perfection, this hearty stew is filled with chunks of tender beef, potatoes, and carrots. First up, a stovetop wonder, the classic chicken and vegetable soup. Start by sautéing diced onions, carrots, and celery in a large pot. Once the vegetables are tender, add minced garlic and cook for another minute. Next, introduce cubed chicken breasts into the pot and cook until golden. Add chicken broth, followed by a medley of your favorite herbs, salt and pepper. Let it simmer until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. Finally, toss in some chopped kale and let it wilt. There you have it, a warm, savory soup that's not just comforting but also packed with nutrients. Moving on to our oven-baked delight, the cheesy baked ziti. Preheat your oven and in a large pot, cook ziti pasta until al dente. In the same pot, stir in marinara sauce, ricotta cheese, and half of the mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle the remaining mozzarella and some parmesan on top. Bake until the cheese is bubbly and golden. This dish is a crowd pleaser filled with the goodness of tangy marinara and 3 types of cheese. Finally, a slow cooker gem, the hearty beef stew. Begin by searing chunks of beef in a pan. Transfer the beef to a slow cooker and add diced potatoes, carrots, and onions. Pour in beef broth, Worcestershire sauce, and a dash of rosemary and thyme. Let it cook on low for 7 to 8 hours. The result? A rich, robust stew where the beef is tender and the flavors are deep and complex. So, there you have it. 3 quick and easy one-pot meals to keep you warm and satisfied during the cold weather. Each dish not only saves you time and cleaning effort, but also offers a hearty, nutritious meal. The chicken and vegetable soup boosts your immune system. The cheesy baked ziti provides a calcium kick, and the hearty beef stew is a protein powerhouse. Whichever you choose to make, these recipes bring warmth to your table and comfort to your soul. So go ahead and give these a try. Remember, good food is all about sharing, so be sure to enjoy these comforting meals with your loved ones. Until next time, happy cooking.